Hey everyone, welcome to Pop and Polish. I'm Shannon and this is my first nail art video and we're gonna dive right in. We are doing BTS nails today. My very first nail art video is of course going to be BTS nails. If you know me at all, you know this is like to be expected. You can also expect to find more BTS nails in the future. This is what we're doing. So I painted these last night and I'm going to attempt to put these on my nails. And when I say attempt, I need everyone to know I literally only started doing nail art 2 weeks ago. I only started doing my own nails a month ago. So I am very new doing my own nails. Certainly new to filming. Actually, for the past few years, I've been getting my nails done by a lovely nail tech. And I actually did natural nails with her. I had nice, long, natural nails. Doing that, seriously, going every 3 weeks for 3 years. And I loved it. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely loved it. But then, like, I've been watching nail videos for, oh my gosh, years, like long hair, pretty nails, C's tutorials, or is this tutorials by C? No, C's tutorial. I've been watching for years, seeing all these incredible nail art videos and being like, I really want to have that on my nail, but like it cost so much money to have my nail tech do it. And she did incredible art, don't get me wrong, but I also like couldn't go over the top the way maybe I like to or want to. When she had to take kind of an unexpected sabbatical this summer, I was obviously forced to do my own nails for the first time ever. What I learned was I love it. I absolutely love it. And I just find it super, super enjoyable. I really like this base coat. This is my first time using the Model ones. Is that what it's called? I really like how that just went on. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my thumb. And yeah, so unfortunately I had to tell my nail tech that, I don't know, I just was going to explore doing my own nails for a little bit. And she was totally cool and totally understanding. Like, I'm sorry, but I've been watching you do it for so long. And then I learned so much watching her too, you know, that I just wanted to try. That's when I started painting my own nails. So that was in August. And what I did was like, I just bought like, I don't know, the stuff to do basic gel nails. It was really, really fun. So I started doing my own like just basic color and like some glitter and stuff like that. It's funny how like real fast you want to like add on a few like crystals or gems or I don't know, other little like things that you find on Shein. You want to quickly do that. So then I found myself purchasing those type of items and that was really fun. So I did that for like a week or two. Clean up around the edges. And then I got like charms and fall charms and all those types of things. And slowly my nail stuff started like exploding. I look forward to the day where I can afford some of the really nice gel polishes that I see the other nail YouTubers using. I look forward to that day. Okay, I'm in love with this color, by the way, with the gold. It's so nice. And with the purple glitter on top, the gold just kind of peeps through the purple glitter. And I just really, really like that look. Feels very BTS. I do feel like I have to, again, I'm new to playing with polishes. So I feel like anything I say is very like, comes from a very uneducated space, but that's again, part of this channel is just like learning. But I feel like I really have to play with this polish to get it the way I want. And that could just be me. If it was just me, I would totally believe it. First layer is done. Now we're gonna give everything a second coat. I'm not gonna be so weird about it this time. So pretty. Oh yeah, I started doing nail art 2 weeks ago, just like little practice nails. I had a friend say like, you need to be filming this. And what's funny is like, I would never have considered myself an artist up until right now because I'm not like good at drawing or painting or anything like that. But somehow when it's on a tiny little surface and it's a type of painting that you do like with polish and on nails, somehow something comes out of me and something good happens to turn out. So the very first thing I did was actually a cute little panda and it turned out really well. And I was just like so shocked at myself, like so so shocked. And like my husband and my daughter are actually artists, and they were like shocked. And my best friend's an artist too. I'm really surrounded by artistic people. So, and then the second piece of nail art that I did to be like, oh, was like the panda fluke. I did this like adorable little Pikachu attempt because I love anime. I'm a nerd. No, I'm not calling people who love anime a nerd, but I kind of am. But I did a Pikachu one, and I didn't have the right colors at the time. So it just was like kind of like a gross yellow, but it still turned out super cute. Enough that I was like, okay, I need to get a proper yellow and try this again. And then my third one that I did was a spaceship with rainbow coming out of it, with mountains, like starry sky. And that's when I was like, okay, I'm gonna start. Like, I want to chronicle this. I want to see, like, if I'm as pleased as I am right now, then what will I look like in like a year or so with some practice, right? So that's when I was like, I need to start this nail channel. So I've cured the second layer. I'm really pleased with everything so far, but I think I'm going to do a third layer on these ones just to really make them pop. Oh yeah, good choice, good decisions. Oh yeah, okay, so that was like, so doing the spaceship was kind of like my, oh my goodness, yeah, I need to start a channel. But I've also done a bunch of like Halloween art because tomorrow's October. That was the other part too, where I was just obsessed. Like all my free time over the past month and a half has been being creative with nails, doing like test nails and swatching and all that fun stuff. So this just makes sense. This channel just makes sense. So yesterday I was trying to decide what would be my first set of nails that I would do like on YouTube, and it was a very obvious BTS. I am so ARMY. I discovered BTS in 2018 when I was training for a half marathon, and I was looking for songs that hit a certain BPM, and they had just dropped Mic Drop, and I fell in love ever since. And it's an obsession, as anyone who is ARMY will tell you. You don't just like listen to BTS, you live and breathe BTS. So this is absolutely not going to be my only set of BTS nails. It's just the first of many. So this is the third coat, and I think that was a really good call. So now I'm gonna do the nail art last, which is going on this finger, and my thumb. So I'm just gonna quickly finish off these two with the purple sparkle, and just a top coat over here. Now my glitter coat, I love this. Oh my God, seriously. How pretty is that? That is so BTS. Oh my gosh, pretty. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to play with this if I remember correctly as well though. Or like play with the glitter to get it to lie the way I want it to. We'll see. That's the only thing I'm not like. The colors are incredible, but I do have to play with the polish quite a bit compared to like others that I have. What is happening? Why? What's happening? Why is that like edge like that? I feel like the polish is cooling. Don't love that. I think we're gonna be okay with what's happening with that. I think we're okay with that. I can't decide if this needs a second layer. It looks good on camera, but in person it looks like it needs a second layer. So I'm gonna go for it. And if it hides the gold, it hides the gold. I can't remember what I did on the test nail. Let's see. It's pretty. I think it is going to cover up most of the gold, but that's okay. Again, this is all just learning and experimenting. So figure it out better for the next one. I mean, that looks great. Not hating it, not sad about it. Okay, so far everything is going according to plan. So now we are going to chrome my ring finger with a purple chrome that I got off of Shein. Now, this is quite literally my second time ever chroming anything. My first time was the test nail. So if you're like, your technique's wrong and all those other things, like, I'm sure it is. I'm sure all my techniques are wrong all the time, always. So come see, come sa. No? Oh, no, it's going on pretty easy. I'm just gonna get it everywhere. That's cool. That looks pretty. So now we'll just clean it up. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, to the MG. Assuming I can just clean this up with alcohol. I love how I don't know. I'm like, I'm just gonna assume that like with everything else, I can just clean this up with a little alcohol. I don't know. Super pretty. She's cute. Now let's get into the nail art. I'm gonna do some white. I know I can do it. I know I can do this. Just gotta put it on my own nail. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Love Yourself nail first. It's really hard to see what I'm doing. Okay, oh my gosh. Hopefully. Okay. I can't tell if that looks like an L. No, I don't like that. We're taking that off. Don't love it. Don't love it. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and then I don't know if that ruined my chrome or not. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more chrome just in case. Oh my goodness. Just don't want to spill it everywhere. Okay, but we're gonna try this again and I'm just gonna focus on getting it done, less on you seeing it, no offense. Of course, there's like a little hair or something right there. That's helpful. Sarcasm. Oh my God. So far, this is not going quite how I want. Oh no, okay. We're cleaning it up to be okay. All right, I'm fine with it. Cool, cool. Okay, now let's do the Y. So I'm doing like a little V at the top. Little. Sorry if I'm like messing this, like making it so you can't see this. I'm trying really hard to make it so that you can see it. I feel like I could do better, but I also don't feel like I should judge myself so harshly right now. Let's see, I want to see if I can clean it up a bit. All right, maybe. Sweet, okay, that worked. That Y, okay, so if I'm not gonna be happy with one, I don't love the L, but also not sure how to, like, I don't know how to fix it at the same time. Oh, I did, okay. I think I got it. I think I'm happy with that. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Let's see, can you see it? The chrome is really chromy. I'm gonna do one more layer. Let's try that. Cute. Oh my God, she's doing it. Okay, cute. Okay, I am really liking how everything's turning out so far. Now we're going to do the BTS simple nail. I can do this. We can do this together. Okay, I can fix this up in a bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna turn out cute. I'm thrilled. I'm fine with that. I'm gonna color it in now because that's what I wanna do. The white will most definitely need a second coat. if you are into BTS or you are an ARMY, because if you're into BTS, you're an ARMY. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite song? Mine is Microcosmos and Spring Day and Magic Shop, I would say. All right, let's give that another just like clean up extra coat. Hopefully good enough. Alrighty, honestly, I'm pretty pleased with how this is turning out. I was fully expecting to mess up that line work a little bit more. Then, not at all. Yay! She cute. I decided to glossy top the BTS sign, symbol, whatever, nail. I think that was a really good decision. I think this all looks really good. Okay, now time to do the hardest nail, which is the BTS, the heart, trying to like give you a little look-see there. We'll see how it goes. So of course my camera stopped recording while I was originally painting this. So this is the first layer of the heart. It's all right. Again, I only started doing this 2 weeks ago, so I'm gonna go with this is pretty good considering. I don't consider myself to be an artist yet, only because I literally only started doing art 2 weeks ago. It's gonna turn out so good. So good. Homestar Runner, anybody? I just told you how old I am, that I even said the words Homestar Runner. All right, we're almost done. Home stretch. I'm pleased. Let's clean that up. It could be so much smoother, but that's what improvement in practice is for. And just like that, my first set of nail art is done. BTS, love yourself. So tell me what you think in the comments. If you are ARMY and you love BTS, tell me what you think. Did I do a good job? Did I represent ARMY well? And even if you don't know BTS or you don't like BTS, tell me what you think of my first kind of like nail art adventure. How did I do? I'm pleased with myself. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe if you want to see more nail content from a self-taught artist. And of course, again, especially if you like BTS, definitely follow me. Hello. You should always follow your fellow ARMY, right? Am I right? All right, my friends. I hope you're having just a beautiful day wherever you are in this beautiful world, and I'll see you next time.